Hi, I'm Elise Arnold, Sales Manager of the Power Transformer Business Unit. Welcome to our new Power Transformers division in Oklahoma City. At SGB-SMIT USA, we are known for designing and manufacturing transformers that support all types of electrical infrastructure projects across North America, helping move power safely and reliably where it's needed most. With the addition of our new Power Transformer division here in the United States, we're expanding our capabilities to better support this effort. Plans are currently underway to begin manufacturing starting in Q1 of 2027, with full project ramp-up capabilities reaching 100 MVA 230 kV. This new power division strengthens our ability to deliver proven transformer technology, shorter lead times, and local support, all backed by the global experience of the SGB-SMIT Group. We're proud to bring these expanded power transformer capabilities to Oklahoma City, and we look forward to supporting your power needs now and into the future.